Okay, we have our pump station right here. One of the unique things that we're able to do with the type of drainage that we put in, I know I keep mentioning about where you manage the water, but in managing the water in the right place, you have to put in a significant sized trench, in other words, about this wide and about that deep. But that allows us to run our discharge line right through the trench where our pipe is and packed in stone. So instead of having the pipe have to come up, be attached to the ceiling and then running across the ceiling and then getting discharged out if that's the only place where you could discharge the water, we're able to run the discharge line through the trench and then come up anywhere around the entire foundation and then bring it up and out through the foundation and then discharge it on that side of the house. It doesn't have to be tied to where the pump is. It's a huge advantage because sometimes you want your pump here, but you want your discharge all the way on the other side. So this is a perfect example where we need to have the pump in one area, and ideally we want our discharge line to be in another area. So we don't want to run the pipe coming across the ceiling in case you ever want to finish or anything you want to do like that. Or also because when you're running water through a discharge line, it rattles a little bit and it shakes the floorboards. So a great advantage would be to avoid any type of discharge line going across and being attached to your floor joists and then shaking your house. So what we're able to do is our discharge line comes up and it goes through the trench that we established with our pipe and stone and then elbowing and coming up exactly where we want to put the discharge through the foundation. So it comes up and we're able to go right through and keep our discharge line nice and snug to the foundation wall. An 1.5 PVC pipe fits perfectly if you're ever going to finish the basement and you're studding out. The studs would actually come out around it. You'd never know it was even there. It's one of the many really nice attributes to the way that we go about waterproofing a basement. This will be behind any studded out wall. You won't even be able to see it. If you've enjoyed our video, I hope you have, give us a like and also subscribe. And if you click the bell icon, it'll alert you to the next time that we have a video coming out. So until then, have a dry basement.